Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video. People are slowly realizing the value of owning a business. Many investors are now looking for entrepreneurs to show up and present an idea that can work wonders in today's world. There are plenty of opportunities for people with capital in their hands, but there's a certain way of putting your money down. Times are different, and investment requires a long method now. Today, we'll tell you how you should invest in 2022. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Number 4. The condition of the stock market. A lot of people remain confused before investing. There are plenty of questions that arise in one's mind, and they are enough to puzzle them out. With such tangling issues in their mind, many people begin to question if investing is a good step at the beginning, and most will back out. Without any research, people tend to draw back out of fear of failure. So, it's important to know the condition of things before going there. Stock markets are one of the biggest deals to invest in. Everybody is eager to make more money by putting their assets down in stocks and shares of valuable companies. It's great, but investing without looking at the market's condition and the company's performance can be a risk. According to experts, the stock market is quite bustling. Things might be a bit difficult, but there are upsides to it right now. It's better to look in international markets rather than in your country, because most stock exchanges are working in a bubble of speculation of overvaluation. Countries like Japan have plenty of businesses with significant undervaluation, so putting your money there might be a good idea. At the end, it's up to you to find the right market and research about its projections of the future. Number 3. What are your needs? It's quite essential to first work out a plan of action. Most importantly, it starts with yourself. Even before you start surfing the web to learn more about the ventures you want to invest in, you need to know what the motives behind your actions are. Putting down money without working out the reason behind it might end up with a loss. If you have plenty of savings and want to make some more money on the side, then investing is one of the best things to go into. It's a risky business, but once a person learns how it works and how things can improve over time, it becomes a great side business. Inflation is a big issue concerning people globally. Financial experts provided their expert take on the matter, saying that it was going to affect a lot of people and businesses. Due to the restrictions lifted after the pandemic, the influx of supply chain cost management and other factors made it difficult for governments to continue working with the previous prices. Therefore, increasing prices within a shorter period of time, and more frequently, has led to taking the inflation rate curve at a record high value. Therefore, one has to keep these factors in mind as well while making up his mind to use his money for investing. So think about what you're looking to do with your money. Work out your investment plan and how you wish to use it. Be sure to divide the profit for savings and further investment. Once you have understood the aim behind your plan, your investment will return with benefits. Number 2. Look for opportunities. Probably the easiest part of this process is searching for the right platform for investment. Thousands of avenues have opened for people to provide their money and receive something back for their financial aid. It's amazing how digital platforms are providing so many opportunities for investment, even in the technological field. There's so much for one to discover and provide capital for. At the moment, digital technology is the best option to invest in. Cryptocurrency already has millions of people plowing their money into it. Everybody is looking to make some profit either by mining crypto or trading it. Apps like Coinbase and Binance have also made it easier to make money through constant trading. Investing in NFTs is another great choice for people looking to spend money on. These digital art are now selling for hundreds and thousands of dollars. With careful observation and timing, one can buy and sell an NFT and make a massive profit within days. You can also look for options in the metaverse, a newer concept that combines augmented reality with virtual reality and social networking. The metaverse is expected to grow up to a worth of $800 billion by 2024, and it's still a concept that's under development. If you can find a way to capitalize in this business, you shouldn't let that opportunity go to waste. Number 1. Wait and hope for the best. It's no use sitting and waiting all day to check if you've made a profit. Many people tend to become worried after putting their money into something. Keep in mind that investments should be made out of a little portion of your savings, and it shouldn't affect your financial position significantly. After investing, one should not think about it too much and just go about their life. You can check after a month or two to see the condition of how your investments are doing. If they're generating profits for you, that's great, and if they're not, you shouldn't worry and hope that things turn out better. Worrying won't change things, so you can only invest and pray.
But I think more of them would be if you get educated on what you're really buying.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please like the video. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for the best content. We'll be back with another video soon, so stay tuned. Goodbye and take care.